Welcome back to my channel. It is the evening time, and so I just got off of work, and I decided to do a sweet treat for myself. So I'm in a mood of creating egg rolls. Egg rolls is popular right now because when you go to the store, you don't see them. That's only if you go to the store, you don't really see them on the shelf. So I was like, I want something sweet, and I had some egg rolls left. Like, they open. And so I was like, let me make some apple turnovers. So I bought a can of apple filling, and I'm going to just dump out some of the filling in here because I don't want it to be too ooey gooey when I try to put them inside the egg rolls. And we're going to see how this turned out. I do have some cinnamon sugar. I got my vegetable oil. And I got some caramel and some confectioner's sugar. I got some of that too. The powdered sugar. So I got some of that. So right now I am going to start with my egg rolls. I have my eggs out to put on the egg roll on the edges of it, and we're going to see. These was open, so I don't know how they're going to do, because I can see it already like breaking. So we'll see. Are they going to work out or are they not going to work out? Because this is kind of like hard, and so when they open, they get kind of crispy. That's why I guess it might be when you buy some egg rolls, you use them all in that one little wok. But how y'all feeling out there today, this evening, morning, whenever y'all watching this, late at night? Because this could be a good late night snack. Someone told me at McDonald's that they don't carry the apple turnovers no more. That might just be in different cities. I don't know. I haven't went, but I heard. I don't know. But since I know how to make them myself, hopefully they turn out good. I shouldn't have no problem. And you can buy this can of apples in the, you know where they got the cheesecake stuff in the store. You can see it at the bottom. And I decided to get, they got raspberry, strawberry. They had a lot of different ones. If you want to be going all out, you can buy an apple, cut it up, and do what you do, baby. Because I'm not doing all that. I just got for work. I want something sweet, simple, and easy to do. Not making me think about it. See, and if you look at this, look at the apples. It's enough apples in there just to cut them up, because that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut up the apples. I just didn't want to have a lot of filling in each of the apple. Like the filling. Because once I wrap it up, I can see it might become a problem. But we'll see. There's a lot of little apples in this little can too. Oh my God, it's a lot of apples. So I'm gonna put my trash right there because Studi is in a mood to eat stuff. And I'm just gonna take a knife. I should like sit them out on a cutting board and then cut them up, but then I decided I just got work. So I'm gonna cut them up in here. And they cutting too. They real soft. I'd rather do this than do the apple, like buy an apple to do this. Because then you got to worry about them getting soft and they might be too hard. You don't want that. So that's all I'm doing is chopping them up. I promise it's doing the same exact thing if I was to chop them up on the plate or on my cutting board. Oh yeah, this is much easier. Oh, right. Hopefully they taste real good. Comment down below, have y'all been messing with egg rolls lately? Oh, I'm just into egg rolls right now. See, I got the challenge, create your own egg roll. So, because I did the chicken Alfredo. Bye. Y'all need to check that video out. And now this is the egg roll with the remaining egg rolls I had left. This is the apple turnovers. So, see how they cut up? They ready to get filled into the egg roll. Alright, so we're gonna put this on here, see? Because I gotta keep it clean while I go. Okay. And I am ready.
Cause I only want you, yeah.
Conte. So they can made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It made 10 egg rolls. So now I'm gonna just put it in my grease that I have right here. Trying to get this together, y'all, to bring y'all a little closer. Should be ready to go in. Yeah, it's ready to go in there. And you can just leave the egg rolls in there for about 4 minutes. Depends on how you feel about it. They just doing their thing. I'm gonna bring this closer. I don't know why it's so far away. I love y'all. I don't want it to be that far away. Okay. So they're done. Let me move this back just a little bit. So they're done. I still got them on, but I want to try one before I cut this video off. Like I say, this recipe is real easy to do, and I want to try some caramel. I do got some powdered sugar, but I want to see how this tastes first. So I'm gonna do some caramel, just a little bit. That thing just went over there like crazy. So I got some caramel on mine. Oh my God. This is good, y'all. With that caramel, I say that caramel. I had a steam. Stop. I need some ice cream. If I had some ice cream, I eat this up, okay? But I need y'all to do one more thing for me. My little bra showing. Don't do that. I like my little outfit I got on. Got it from Shein. Anyways, I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, and create your own egg roll. I want to see what y'all got. I want to start new ideas. I got some more coming up. In a minute, this channel about to be an egg roll channel. I'm just playing. No, it's not. But most definitely try these out. Y'all see it? That steam? I can't stop. Okay, y'all. I'm out.